All right, this marks the conclusion of our Data Analysis with Pandas course, and I wanted to take a second to personally thank you for following me over the course of the last 18 hours and the more than 150 lessons that I created. I'm looking over all of the Jupyter notebooks that we generated and all of our CSV files in our Pandas folder, and I myself am kind of impressed in a way by all of the material that we've covered. I began this course by actually digging through every single page of the Pandas documentation and extracting all of the elements that I felt were the most critical in understanding Pandas. And having spent so many hours with this library already, I still feel like there's so much more left to learn and so much more left to cover. Pandas is so colossal and so massive and so powerful that it really offers a wide variety of paths in continued exploration. I certainly think this library is not going to be slowing down in its popularity. I think it's going to continue exploding in the next couple of years as data continues to grow. Pandas, behind the scenes, I still think, especially as someone who's not a programmer by trade, I think Pandas is relatively simple, I think it's logical, and I think it's incredibly powerful. So even if you run into data problems in the future that I haven't covered in this course, I hope I've prepared you by giving you the foundation of how you can work with this powerful library, understanding things like methods and attributes and syntaxes, and thinking a little bit more about how Pandas thinks as far as its number scheme and its combination of objects, hopefully enough to give you the foundation that you need to tackle whatever data analysis problems you face in the future by yourself. So once again, thank you so much for purchasing this course and following me through it to the end, and I will see you next time. Thanks again.